might have rung the bell, but haven't really presented. That's cool. That's cool. We want to see that. And there are some who have not rung the bell at all and ready to ring the bell. So we're about to see who is ready to let the world know. Rededication, yes. All right.
So, we are going to have our brothers and sisters coming in the top. When they come down, you're going to ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. When they ring the bell,
can y'all step over a little bit so we can take
Superman
pictures?
crazy eyes. Okay?
Well, then we're blocking everybody.
God,
If we go straight like that, then you can't see
we
nothing.
got
Just step to the
to
side.
have a party every single time someone throws down that bell. Okay, y'all ready? Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell.
Who's got first?